Welcome to another great video by the Nutty Niche News. We have a serious issue today to discuss, and please like and share this video. This is a health video that needs to be heard and shared. Here we go. A spoonful of plastic, scientists discover nanoplastics in human brains. In a startling revelation, researchers have found a spoon's worth of nanoplastics in human brain tissue, raising new concerns about the pervasive presence of plastic in our bodies. This discovery adds to a growing body of evidence suggesting that microplastics are infiltrating not just our organs but our most vital and protected areas, including the brain. Plastic in the brain, a scientific shock. For years, scientists have known that microplastics, tiny plastic particles less than 5 millimeters in size, have been making their way into human blood, lungs, and even placentas. But the latest findings push the boundaries of concern further. The brain is shielded by the blood-brain barrier, a highly selective filter designed to keep out toxins and foreign substances. Yet, somehow, nanoplastics, microscopic plastic particles smaller than a micrometer, are bypassing this natural defense. The research, which involved analyzing human brain tissue samples, found unexpectedly high levels of nanoplastics, raising urgent questions about how these particles are breaching the brain's protective mechanisms. The potential health risks. While the full impact of nanoplastics on the brain is still unknown, early studies suggest potential links to neurological disorders, inflammation, and cognitive decline. Some researchers speculate that nanoplastics may trigger immune responses in the brain, leading to damage over time. Others worry that these particles could interact with neurons, potentially contributing to conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. How are they getting in? Scientists are still unraveling the mystery of how nanoplastics infiltrate the brain. Possible pathways include inhalation, airborne microplastics, especially from synthetic clothing, car tires, and industrial pollution, could be inhaled and travel through the olfactory nerve directly into the brain. Ingestion, plastics in food and water may break down into nanoplastic particles that, once absorbed into the bloodstream, find a way past the blood-brain barrier. Medical implants or contaminants. Some researchers suggest medical devices, drugs, or plastic-contaminated pharmaceuticals could be a source of exposure. The growing plastic problem. This discovery is just the latest in a wave of alarming research showing that plastic pollution is more than just an environmental crisis, it's an internal one, too. Studies have already confirmed that humans consume an average of a credit card's worth of plastic every week, mainly through bottled water, seafood, and food packaging. With nanoplastics found in the bloodstream and now in the brain, the urgency to understand and mitigate these effects has never been greater. What can we do? While governments and researchers work to understand the risks and potential solutions, individuals can take steps to reduce their plastic exposure. Avoid plastic packaging whenever possible, opt for glass, metal, or biodegradable alternatives. Use a high-quality water filter to reduce microplastics in tap water. Limit synthetic clothing or use a microplastic filter when washing. Reduce consumption of processed foods, which may contain plastic contaminants. Final thoughts. The presence of nanoplastics in the human brain is an unsettling discovery that underscores the hidden dangers of plastic pollution. While science races to understand the implications, one thing is clear: plastic isn't just filling our oceans and landfills, it's invading our bodies, and even our minds. The question now isn't whether we have plastic in us, it's what it's doing to us. This is a serious issue and we need to start taking steps to protect ourselves. First is to stop using all plastic that you can. Bags and all.
Thank you for watching the Nutty Niche News and have a great day. Please share and like this video.